tall and river wide, mountains high and valleys wide. Birds start sing and flowers bloom underneath the sun and moon. Nature beauty everywhere in the gentle breeze and clean blue air. In every leaf and blade of grass, a world of wonder as we pass. Mountains strong and ocean vast, sunset painted never last. Nature's gift, both big and small. Our life is a miracle after all. Good morning to respected Principal Sir, our jury members and all my lovely juniors. Welcome to our much anticipated event, Nature Around Us. Today we embark on a journey to celebrate the beauty and wonders that surround us. From breathtaking landscapes to the smallest creature, nature offers us endless inspiration and joy. Nature is like a soothing balm for mind and spirit, the freshness of flowers, the vibrant colors of trees in autumn, and rhythmic crashing of ocean waves. All work together to create a peaceful heaven. Every part of nature, whether it's chirping of bird at dawn or the quiet majesty of a snow, tells a story of beauty and balance. Do you know, Anaya, spending time in nature helps us feel refreshed and reminds us of simple joys and wonders that life offers. Do you know, Divisha, that nature is not just a home, it is our greatest teacher. Through this competition, we aim to showcase the creativity and appreciation for nature that resides within each participant. Today, we will witness presentations that reflect the awe-inspiring diversity of our planet, flora, fauna, and landscapes. There are few instructions for this competition. Participants are supposed to speak 8 to 10 lines in English about mountains, river, flower, butterfly, and anything which they connect down to the nature. Each participant will get maximum 2 minutes to perform. The competition will be judged on introduction and uniform, concept, content delivery, clarity, and confidence. Let's start this competition.
My name is Anaya Bhandura. I study in first week. Today I am going to talk about trees. Trees are important in our life. Tree gives us shade and shelter. Tree gives us wood for useful things. Tree gives us food and vegetables. Tree gives us vegetables. Tree gives us food for useful things. Tree bring rain to earth. Tree make our earth most beautiful. No tree on earth, no life on earth. Please save the trees and plant the trees. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mathur Ahmad. I study in class 1B. I am teachers and all my dear friends. I am telling you about to nature. I am moon today. I am so beautiful and so shiny. I comes at night. I am 4 times smaller than earth. I have 4 shapes like crescent, like ball, like gibbon. I am only satellite of earth. You cannot live on me because no air, no water, nothing on me. I am every children's mama. Mom's story about me, Chanda Mama Dur ke. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shubham Monty. I am studying class in first B. My topic is river. Rivers are long stream of water that flows across the land. They started from mountain and traveled to sea. Pupils are use river water for bathing, drinking and gardening. Some animals are crocodile, turtle and fish live in river. River help to transport goods one place to another place by boat. Some big rivers are Nile, Ganga and Amazon. We should keep our river neat and clean. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shesh Kumar Siddharth. I study in class 1st B. I am 5 years old. My topic is nature. Mountains are the most beautiful structure of the nature. Mountains are very tall in height. There are big and small mountains. Flowers are very beautiful. Flowers love everyone. The Ganga is our national river. It is a deep water. Butterfly is a beautiful insect. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. How are you all? Hope fine. My name is Sarah Shraz and I am from class 1st B. Today I want to talk to you about something really important, that is saving trees. The slogan used to spread awareness and motivate people to protect trees. If there are no trees on earth, we will not exist. So we should protect the trees. Trees are essential for us to survive as food and water. Trees intake all the carbon dioxide we produce and generate oxygen for us to breathe. Trees provide us wood, medicines and habitat for birds and shelter for animals in the forest. Trees contain a whole ecosystem by themselves and support various forms of life. Trees help in keeping the environment clean. In the last, I just only want to say, keep your surroundings clean if you want to protect the trees from destruction. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mankaran Singh. I study in 1st B. Today I am here to express my views about trees, which are beautiful part of our nature. Trees are our green friends. They are important to keep our planet healthy. They give us fresh air. They provide shade and keep us cool on hot days. Trees are shelters of many birds and animals. They give us fruits and vegetables to eat. They make our surrounding beautiful and green. By planting trees, we can create a healthy planet. Every tree counts. So let's make a difference today. Thank you.
Mohammad Mehboob. I study in class 1st B. I am 7 years old. Today I am telling about nature. Water is very important for human beings. It is very useful for life. It is used for many purposes. It's used in making food. It's used in cleaning many purposes. Water is very important to live.
Water is used for washing and cleaning. We should save water. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Mohammad Rayyan. I study in first B. Today I am going to speak few lines on nature. As we know, nature is very beautiful. It gives us lots of things, just like sun is bright, flowers are pretty, birds sing sweet, trees are tall, water is fun, earth is home. Thank you.
Principal sir, coordinator ma'am, and judges, and all my dear friends. I tell you about trees. Trees are very useful to us. Trees give us oxygen. Trees give us fruits. Trees give us vegetables. Trees give us shade. Trees help us reduce pollution and medicine. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is David Kakkad. I am 6 years old. I study class first B. My school name is Noodles Montessori. I will tell you about nature. That is sunflower. Sunflower is bright yellow in color. Its leaves are green in color. It blooms during winter season. It faces to a sun, but I like to water it every day. Butterflies like to sit on it. It is used for decorations. I like it very much. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Naira. I study in class first B. Today I will speak you few lines on nature around us. My topic is a park. I like to go to park every day. It makes me happy. It clears my mind and body. Park have lot of attractions like trees, plants, flowers and grass. Park have big space to play with friends and family. Park have lot of greenery, trees, plants. Park is a very beautiful place. At last, I feel close to Mother Nature inside the
Everyone,
park.
my name is Afia Ayub. I study in first B. I am a green panther. Nature does not speak. It acts kind to soothe everyone. Very soothing morning to all of you. I love being outdoors in the fresh air, noticing what's happening in the nature. The nature is that surround us. The sunlight, air, rain, flora, fauna come together, complete nature. My dear friends, there are reasons why nature is referred to as mother. Mother cherishes and nurtures us. So we should never harm Mother Nature. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Adha Kumar Pal. I study in first B. My topic is nature around us. Nature is beautiful creation of God in its good forest. breathe, food, water, shelter, etc. Nature is God gift to us, so we should save nature. Thank you. My name is Advika Batra. I study in 1B. My topic is butterfly. Butterfly is a beautiful and colorful insect. Butterfly are born out of eggs. Butterfly have 6 legs, 4 wings and 2 antennas. Butterfly taste food with feet. Butterfly taste food with feet. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Naisha Kaushik. I study in first week. Today I will tell you about tree. Trees are our best friend. They give us fruit and vegetables. They give us oxygen to breathe. They give us shadow in summer. They keep the environment cool. They make the earth green. We can't live without trees.
I study in class 1B. Today I am going to tell you about butterfly. Butterfly is a small insect in the world. It has 4 beautiful wings. It has 6 legs. It is found in many colors. It is mainly found in a garden. Butterfly can travel 10 to 15 kilometers in an hour. The favorite food of butterfly is the juice of flower. The beauty of the butterfly is liked by everyone. I love to see the butterfly. Thank you.
Morning everyone. My name is Aryan Yadav. I study in first B. Today I am about nature. My nature is rose. Rose is a king of flower. It is a symbol of love. It has a sweet smell. It is a very beautiful flower. Rose found in different color like pink, orange, red, yellow. Red rose is the most popular among them. Rose flower have many layers of petals. Red rose flower my favorite color. Thank you
everyone. My name is Shaurya Gupta. I study in class 1B. Today I am talking about lakes. A lake is a large body of water within a body of land, has a separating from ocean is not a sea. Some lakes are very big. Lakes do not flow like river. Many lakes are man-made reservoirs to produce electricity. Pond conduits is from. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arvi Agarwal. I study in class 1st B. Respected Principal Sir, Ma'am and all teacher and my dear friends. I am standing before you all to share my thought about nature. Nature is the world around us. We all human beings depend on nature.
nature every time and for everything. Nature is a source of living. Plants, animals, and humans all depend nature. Nature is the precious gift given to us by God. Thank you. Have a great day.